In this video, we will understand how to calculate the value of variable using Martin's rule. Let's say x plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is 1. We know Martin's rule states us that x equals to a inverse b, and we know a inverse is what? 1 by mod a into adjoint a into b. Now, before doing anything further, we will classify a, b and x. A is what? A is the coefficient of the first equation and the second one. So the coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of y is 1. From the second one, 1 and minus 1. What is b? B is the solution matrix, which is 5 and 1. And x is the variable one, x and y. Okay. Now we will calculate mod A. For calculating modulus of 2 into 2 matrix, we will use the crisscross method, which is 1 minus this 1 2. Okay. Now simply we will multiply 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, and in between minus will be there, so 1 into 1 will give you 1. So the final answer is minus 2, which is unequals to 0. It means inverse is possible. After finding this, we will find adjoint. I am using cofactor methods for finding adjoint, which is a11, a12, a21 and a22. Okay, before finding cofactors we will find minors. How to find it? Say a11, it means we need to hide the first row and the first column. Okay, if we hide the first row and the first column, as we can see, we are ending up with minus 1. So we will write minus 1. Again, if we hide the first row and the second column, we are having 1. So I'm writing 1. Again, in the similar fashion, as we can see, that if we're going to hide the second row and the first column, we are getting 1. So writing 1 over here, and second row and the second column, we will end up with 1. Now these are the minors. To find the cofactors, simply we will check the addition of these two. If the addition is even, then no need to change anything, but in the case of odd, we will interchange the sign. So this one would be minus 1 and this one would be minus 1. Okay. Now what is adjoint? Adjoint is the transpose of the cofactors. Okay. Adjoint is what? The transpose of the cofactors. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and 1. This one will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and 1. Okay. Now putting the values here, x is equals to 1 by minus 2. The adjoint one, adjoint is 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 1. What we have in b? In b we are having 5 and 1. Okay, so this is 5 and 1. Now using the multiplication rule of matrix, we will find that minus 1 and minus 1 will be there. So simply multiplying it, minus 1 by 5, you will get minus 5, and this will be minus 1. Again we will write minus 1 and 1, so we will get minus 5 plus 1. X minus 2, this one will be minus 6, this one is minus 4. Multiplying it by minus half, you will get 3 and 2. See, the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 2. Hope you will understand this. Thank you.